it's really helped me improve my photography a lot. Hey, what's up guys? Farace here. Just want to talk today a little bit about a loop I do like every day at sunset. If I'm not out on a photography trip or doing something, it's like a 20-mile loop around my house that I take every day. So I just wanted to show you guys the loop I do. See if we can get a picture today. You never know, but I catch guys all the time this way. So I have a few great spots. So I'll show you the loop. We drive through some farmland and then around down by the river. So hopefully I can inspire some of you too to like maybe find a loop around your house that you can take each day at sunset if you're not busy. I've got a lot of good photos this way, and even got some storms coming right now, so that's why I took off a little early today. It's only 6:30. Usually I go about 30 minutes before sunset. So yeah, we might get some lightning, who knows. All right guys, thanks for watching the video and let's get on it. We got some good lightning back here. It's coming in pretty strong, so it's a little sketchy, but I'm gonna try, give it a shot. We're gonna set up real quick, see what we can get. Yeah, it's about 6:45. I have a 4-stop ND I might use just to slow down my shutter, but that's it. So we'll see what we get into. Let's do it. So the 4-stop's not gonna work, I don't think. I can only get down to like 0.6 of a second, and I just probably won't have a great shot at grabbing one of the strikes, but that's all right. I'll just do some video and see if we can get some cool video of the storm rolling through. Hey guys, so we were getting some of those lightning clips for the video, and the rainstorm came through pretty hard. It's crazy. It's like perfectly blue that way and just nuts that way. A storm cell's huge that's coming in. It's like running the length of Florida. But I just want to talk about how having this like local loop that I do like multiple times a week, if not every day if I'm able, it's helped me improve so much because I'm catching great conditions and I know the spots that I have, I know the compositions that I can work with, and I can really explore those compositions well and get it in a ton of different conditions. I'm able to come out here and shoot lightning as the storms come through, shoot the farms down here that are awesome. They fill with water, huge reflections, and then we have the whole river, so the light coming through off the river is just amazing. And I have like several spots that I stop and check. It's awesome to be able to have this like little local loop. It's 20 miles around my house and I take it, like I said, nearly every day, and I've been catching some great conditions that way, and it's really helped me improve my photography a lot. So I just wanted to say it's really helped me improve, and I just wanted to pass that along. What's up guys? So we're about done with our loop here. I'll just go ahead and throw up some images that I've got previously on this loop just to show you what I mean, and some of the conditions that I've caught, and yeah, that should wrap it up. Appreciate you watching. If you like this content, you want to see more landscape photography adventures, Photoshop editing, all that kind of stuff, then please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time guys. Peace.